This is week 6 of training for AHEC. Today the weather is pretty bad, so instead we'll go a bit of a different video. We're restoring a DT 1985 175 2-stroke. As you see, my cousin, he's already started. He's already pulled it apart, cleaned it, repainted it. So yeah, we're just gonna fix it up, and yeah, with a bit of help from Grandpa. So we'll get you all the film. Did you put the spark plug in?
Yeah, I did. It's got compression. Yeah, I'll put it in here. Just put it finger tight.
Don't they have to be torqued up certain way?
Yeah, but no one did yet, because otherwise we can't. The last thing we'll do is put the spark plug in.
And then it blows up. That little crevice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're like Play-Doh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Do you have air filter spray?
It said something about not putting it on there.
On this?
Let's say
It's already got lube.
it says something on there, does it? I think it's already got
Sure.
diesel.
Yeah, soak it in diesel. But that's to clean it. Yes, just soak it in it. I think then.
Alright, now what's there all the bits and pieces to put the that thing there. That can go in.
Motors together.
Need the rubber. Put that in prior to
Where the wire connects into.
here. In that direction. Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Good. Wait, you hooked on the air filter? Yeah, you might.
The back end of it. There, that's when you're starting to get there.
What's it? It's hooked on.
You got to have the back end up so it's sort of.
Was anyone gonna help?
I'm trying.
I don't want to jam my fingers. There, it's jammed underneath. There, now get them out of the way. That's it.
Yeah. Gotta line up this back.
There.
There. Oh. That's in now. That's all lined up. Can someone lift from the other side as well?
There you go.
Alright, engine's in. That's good.
A bit more.
Alright, they're on. Oh, let's try this. Oh yeah. Right, so far we've got the engine back in. Just a few cables that are still hanging. We've got oil, airbox is in, got the kickstart going, fuel tank, handlebars are on, and we're just doing the carby.
We need to get.
But on which way does it go? That way does the choke fit on your side or this side?
I think the choke's on this side because it's. Locks in.
Yeah, you have to take the get that.
Can you take the fuel off first?
Yeah.
I think that's that and that's that.
We've got the carby on with the airbox. That's all in, so we're just gonna try and figure out where all those hoses go. We need to get the fuel hose is in.
Throttle's connected.
Yeah, throttle's connected, so it's coming together.
In the video it said you have to bleed the oil.
Oh.
Yeah. Pull that through. That was the vent off the battery.
Which one?
That one. And you reckon it's... Have them on the... Yeah, take it off. Yeah. Is that alright?
What?
You got all that up?
Yep, that's all cleaned up.
Oh, that looks better,
Now we just
doesn't
need to
it?
get the fuel tank back on, pretty much.
Yeah, and then there's those two connections to the fuel tank.
And then we have to put the rackers inside.
Well, that was all on a Saturday. I can't believe it's Mum said no.
You have to take that one off as well.
I have.
Oh, something just launched at Mark Jesus over under Grandma's car. Rivet blind.
To get that on because it's probably got no...
That's it, yeah. So
Bar.
we need to start it using that.
I don't think this expansion chamber is good enough.
The plastic.
Yeah, that's holding on by absolute hopes and dreams.
Been doing?
Is that the longest bolt in history?
Connection for between the two.
No,
No, just
That's probably enough.
enough
no,
to
I can't get this thing.
too small.
That's right.
Alright, we're gonna bleed the brakes.
That's not the brakes, you idiot.
Well, not the brakes, the oil. We're gonna wait till there's...
Hold that.
Your shadow in it. Is that what it says to do?
Yeah.
Well, I better take a spark plug out then, because otherwise it's too hard for you to turn over.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait till there's no air.
It's also cleaning out, see all the crappy, dirty oil. Can you hold it, Tim?
First test.
You know, is the key going to switch it off? No, well, let's say I've stripped the carburetor.
Holy shit! Well, it starts. Everything's together.
I'm just guessing. I think it needs a muffler.
Yeah, we just put the exhaust on. Just yeah. Well, I'm going to try and make a stud to be able to